Compounds found in common room deodorizers could reduce your lung function by 4%. Hi, I'm Dr. Altmann, here with a tip to help your family breathe easier. Take a look at your home's indoor air quality. Indoor levels of some pollutants can be up to 50 times higher than outdoors. Here's how to improve your indoor air quality. Ban cigarette smoke. It's the single largest source of particulate pollution inside homes. Skip air fresheners and spray-on cleaners. Compounds found in common room deodorizers could reduce your lung function by 4%. Open the windows. That's especially important if you live in a tightly constructed, energy-efficient new home. It may have higher pollution levels than a drafty older home. Keep furnaces in good repair. Also, be sure vents to heaters, clothes dryers, and ranges are kept clean and working properly. Avoid gassy decor. No iron linens and drapes may release formaldehyde, which can trigger allergies, asthma, nausea, coughing, chest tightness, and wheezing. Wash all permanent press curtains, bedding, and clothes before use. You'll reduce formaldehyde emissions by 60%. Finally, add some houseplants. Live plants filter out amounts of harmful, volatile organic compounds from your air.